18 Fairlawn Street, and I'm in the master bathroom right now. We have a large shower with a jacuzzi soaking tub, jacuzzi style soaking tub, double bowl sink with granite counters. This is the master bedroom, and a walk-in closet, good size with the access to the attic. And we have hardwood floors in here, and they lead to the living room fireplace and the kitchen that's open to the deck. This is a family neighborhood. This is a ranch style home, 2,100 square feet. We have maple cabinetry and double bowl stainless steel sink with a window into the backyard. The appliances are not here yet. We have the island, and there are 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, 2 full baths, and it is located in Grafton.